Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Thank you for all the support recently as well. Absolutely smashing it. We're going to be looking at an OBS script called OBS Media Scene Switcher. You'll understand how it works in a moment, so let's get into it. So, ladies and gents, it's quite a simple process. So, ladies and gents, this is quite a simple script, but it can be used quite powerfully. I'm just going to show you a basic use of it, and then you can obviously work it and make it work for you as and when it happens. So anyway, so let's get into it. First off, we're going to go to the OBS forums website. I will put the link in. Oh, hang on, there we go. Let's get it up here. There we go, up to there. So we'll obviously show you the website link. We'll put that in the description as well, as always. We're going to go over to the download. And we will download the OBS Scene Switcher file there, the zip file. It will download a zip folder like it says. We're going to go to here, just extract the folder. You'll end up coming to this one, and you'll get the script. So with the script, just place it into your folder inside of C drive. We'll just go through it once again. So C drive, program files, OBS, where are we? I always go past it. OBS Studio, data, OBS plugins, front end tools, because it's not under scripts on that bit, it's on that. So scripts, and then just copy and paste it into there. It's as simple as that. Then you don't even have to have OBS closed to do this. You can just do it as is. So we'll come across to, this is my just chatting scene at the moment. It's a little bit of a mess. I'm testing stuff. I move stuff around. My OBS is not the cleanest. Anyway, so we're going to go to I think. Oh, hang on. Oh, there we go. I've already set it up, by the way. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go to scripts, and we're just going to delete that one out of there for the time being, so I can actually do it. By the way, Bongyo is legendary, by the way. Bongyo is legendary. Right, so we've just added this into a test scene. We're going to need to go into scripts again. We will zoom in. There we go. We'll go to the plus there, and it will obviously open it up into our folder. This is why it's easier to put all your scripts in into this folder, and then it'll just open it automatically. We are going to go to, when I can see it, OBS Media Scene Switcher. So what this does, all it is designed to do is we'll find a media source. So Bongyo subscribing, which is this one, and we'll go to say just chatting. And it's as simple as, once this media source has finished playing, so we'll tick the eye on, it will switch to this scene. So an example, you could have it in, so if you play a certain media source on your stream, or it goes to a certain media source on your stream, once that's played, it will switch you straight back instantly to that previous scene that you're on, or to a scene you want to go to. So on and so forth. I mean, what you could do, I believe you can rename it, and then you can have more than one inside there, so it can constantly do your switching for you. But yeah, it's it's a very quick, simple, easy script when I get my words out, and yeah, not a lot more to say, I'm afraid. So I've just been looking for different scripts that we could use and just do a video on. So again, thank you all for watching again. Do subscribe, do hit that like button, and if you want to check out any more videos that we've got on the channel regarding OBS and streaming tutorials, the playlist is there, and we're adding to it all the time. So yeah, thank you all once again, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.